Alright, I'm back. So, today we are finishing, or working on, hopefully finishing, all this Tycoon system. Super easy stuff. It's all kind of modularized. So, you basically got the model set up for the um, got the plot there. We've got our conveyor, our droppers. So we got these things. We can move that. So let's put these in here for now. And what we'll do is we've got, okay, we're gonna plan this out. So for our Tycoon, we have our buy buttons, and these have touch part in them. So these need a folder. So those are going to be our buy objects. So all the values that we put inside of here, they're going to be unlocking things. So let's also maybe try playing one just to make sure we got things. I'm gonna make this go down real quick. I haven't tried this one at all, but we'll see how this one works. So, I got extra control stuff. Whoa. Let's go with nature. Okay, so yeah, it's basically what we have. So you got a dropper that drops things. They have Kenklite off for the, or the collider, where's it? The, 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 the collision groups, yeah. So those go, drops. You can click on these. It was red before. Okay, well, something happened. What's with that? Okay, well, so says I got 0 right now. Okay, so you can collect here. So I have one thing that just increases here. then once you're able to buy it, it turns green. So this is gonna take forever. Yes, don't do anything. It'll only be those that you want. And if I do this, it's gonna pay, yep. So they have a whole bunch of different teams. Let's see really the point even. So can you choose, you'll probably be on the same team as somebody else. That guy's gonna try to kill me. I got a rebirth thing. What is this stuff? What is that supposed to do? Can I can't disable it after? Okay. Well, now I can't get out of it. They got the text up there. All that stuff. So, yeah, we just need to set or buy objects. So like, because really I could just have, I can, okay, so on the creation of the Tycoon, I'll delete this, and I'll just put this as um, purchasable. You can put the walls in here. This will be our first thing. So we can set this buy button to purchase that. So on creation, we move everything in the purchasable to replicated storage. And you can move the whole I mean, it's like the same thing I was doing. You have not bought. So this value point to the walls. And then we need to have some kind of price on here, which is in here. So maybe I'll just, what I can do is just a cost thing here. So we'll add an attribute. Well, this one will be 0. We also need a cell object. So let's just copy this into here for now. So we can make our cell. Why doesn't the dropper have a primary for? Okay, so we've got our dropper. But this is not, we're going to be making a cell object. We can delete this guy. We can delete the visual. Um, we don't need this spawner thing. Just have the base. We're gonna have this as claim. In our main display. So this thing we just move up. Um, why isn't that changing color? Okay. Why? Okay. Now let's just throw in surface GUI, GUI text label, and text guild. Okay. So that's on there. So we've got our cell thing now. Okay, so we got a clean part that we can look for. And claim is also the primary part, which should be fine. Now if we move this down to our base here, we've got cell, bot, not bot. So when the Tycoon gets cloned in, it'll go through everything in the not bot, throw it into server storage, or it'll set its parent to replicated storage or something. Or I could do it with, I can do all of that on the client. So I'm actually gonna go on a walk now, so I guess there'll be a part 3 or something. It'll get done eventually. So thanks for watching. I'll be back later. See ya.